Well, the market was in cruise control all session long. It wasn't really exciting, but the economic data continues to speak about this economy and continues to say this is an economy on the move. With 2 days until Christmas, we got more evidence that consumers went on a serious spending spree in November. This as personal outlays surged 0.6%. Some are saying that, well, maybe it pulled some December sales forward, but I'm not so sure. I don't believe that. A more legitimate concern, though, could be the savings rate. It did dip to 2.9%. Nevertheless, I still think it's a de facto confidence indicator these days. We're going to continue to watch the data, but for right now, I think it's a net positive. So consumer spending, good thing. Meanwhile, transportation stocks continue to do very well, and they should outperform in the next year as well. And you know I love materials. That was another strong sector, up higher today. It's an area I think everyone should be overweighted in your portfolio. One name I love, check out the action today in CF Industries. The stock is on the move, but I still think it's discounting the rapidly improving company fundamentals. Meantime, Bitcoin magic. You know, the headline Bitcoin crash could have been used at least 5 times this year before this week, but the action in the last 24 hours certainly has sent shockwaves throughout the investing world. There are a lot of theories as to what happened, and each of them have some validity to them. The massive influx of individuals who, by the way, obviously would be weaker hands and quickly sell into this. The inability of current trading infrastructure to handle the volume, which obviously exacerbated the problem. Now, after getting into the shadows right there near 20,000 last Sunday, Bitcoin began to drift lower and lower, and then today the bottom just completely fell out. It's now in a solid downtrend, you can see, and I think it's going to have to get through 15,000 on the upside before maybe sending a technical buy signal. But make no mistake, this is the Wild West. There are now 1,300 cryptocurrencies, not to mention any number of companies that claim to be in the blockchain business. Ironically, though, I'm more intrigued by what's going on with Bitcoin and a few of these other names. And, I think we're going to probably see what happens. Near term, these tests are going to actually work out well, and they could be beneficial. They've got to go through these sort of things. By the way, a major hedge fund guy announced that he's delaying his Bitcoin fund, but he's still going to make it happen. And Goldman Sachs is still going to build out their Bitcoin trading desk. So I'm not in it. I'm intrigued, and I like pullbacks. I may get in it soon. I'll let you know.